Good afternoon to everyone, and I would like to thank our mentor who has given me a golden opportunity to express my ideas on my topic. That activity's name is Your Topic, Your Opinion. So, my topic is going to be the importance of English language in our daily life. As we all know our regional language very nicely. We speak that, and we are very confident of speaking our regional language. We feel very happy when we speak in our regional language. But we all know that English is a foreign language, and we are aware of the fact that English is spoken all over the world. It is called a global language. As we all know, English is also spoken in all over in India. So, in Bihar, in Jharkhand, in every state, English is important. In India, there are more than hundreds of languages are spoken. If you go to the South India, there Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam, many languages are spoken. There English, Hindi is not spoken and not understood there. That time we feel very uneasy, and then we start speaking English. They start understanding us. That time we feel the importance of English language. That time we also feel the importance of English language. Now I am coming to the importance of English language. That is very important for us, because as a teacher we have to teach English language as a subject to our schools, right? So it has become a very important subject for all of us. We have gathered here to enhance our skill of communication, and now this is an orientation program for English communication, right? So this is the fact that English is very important thing for our life. More than 200 countries are there on this earth, and if you go to any country, you must know the one and only language, that is English, right? There, if you go to any country and you don't know the language of that country, and you know English language, then your visit, your tour is going to be very happy, right? So it is the importance of English we feel in our day-to-day life. So we have paid our full attention to enhance our skill here, and in our schools we are trying our best to give our children, to give our bhaiya bahan the all the knowledge of English, so that they can perform their best in English. Because if they know English, they will understand every subject that are maths, science, social science. That is very important. So without knowing English language, they will not be able to express their ideas, because English is the main subject, and on the basis of English they are going to learn the other subjects like math, science and SST. So it is the need of this hour, and we have to learn this, and we have to teach the other people, the other students of our school about English language. The importance of English language is very vital, very important. So it is the it is the duty of us to teach them and to tell about the language, that is English. It is fact that it is not our language, but now it is spoken all over the world, so its importance has been increased. We have to accept this, and whenever some person are speaking English, we should give him value, we should give him some other importance. No doubt our language is also very nice. Be proud of our language, that is Hindi. Hindi is our mother tongue, and English is our next second language, that is called English. So we should not forget this, and we should enhance our skill in every part of English, that is LSRW, that is explained by our one of our teacher here. That is very important. That's all. Thank you.